good, YouTube? It's your boy Quan, R2R. I'm bringing y'all back another video. Yo, what up, YouTube? As y'all can tell, I'm not in my Scat. I'm in the 300 today, man. You know what I'm saying? The 300S. As y'all can tell by the title, me and my brother, we decided to switch, you know what I'm saying? Switch keys. I'm letting him drive the Scat. Huh? Driving the Scatpack patty whack today. Dog is good. Got little bro in the back in the 300. I had to show bro how to drive his own whip because he don't know how to drive his whip. I'm gonna teach y'all a little something too. Yeah, it's really bad right there. I ain't gonna do too much talking. Let the car talk for me. Oh, you gotta catch up. Oh yeah. Y'all see him way back there. Showing something. That shit crazy. Right in the intro though, man. That shit ain't even scripted for real. But hell yeah, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all smash the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new. I'm telling y'all, man. I'm seeing people that's watching and not subscribing. If you don't subscribe, you a bitch. You feel me? You hear me? If you don't subscribe, you a bitch. Your mama a bitch. Your daddy a bitch. Your brother and your sister a bitch. You hear me? So subscribe right now. If ain't none of them, if ain't nobody in your family a bitch, man. Stand up for your family, man. Hey, all love, man. Hey, I'm gonna tap into y'all once we shit. Y'all know how my videos go, man. I ain't even. Hey, we out. This bitch up under the tunnel. Running the damn bridge. Oh my God! I love this shit.
My nigga.
Dogging in the Scat, nigga. We dogging the Scat. Bless you. Oh shit. Oh shit. We out here. Look who we have. Alright, chat, right now we is at the car wash. Hey, let me know down in the comments if y'all know how to fix this shit. Like, the key is in the vehicle. I got the key right here. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. So then, I got the key right here. If y'all know how to fix this, let me know so I could let him know how to fix it. But yeah, we about to clean the cars and shit. My car look like I've been mudding, like that I just been spinning in the mud or something. And we're going to a car meet out in Raleigh. We're going to a Triangle. Triangle's a mall for the ones that don't know. That's it, that's all. Tap in with y'all. chat. Let me know down in the comments who got the wheel better, me or my brother. I definitely got this bitch way better than him. Definitely got this bitch way better than him. Chat, I ain't gonna lie, man. Y'all gotta get y'all some muscle cars at a young age, man. Y'all gotta experience this shit, bro. Like, this shit really do be fun, man. And then when y'all on the highway with y'all boys or some shit, man, like, this shit really do be fun, bro. I'm telling y'all. Cutting up. Really got wheel. Come on now. Really got wheel. Look at this nigga creeping on. I ain't trying to, hey man, I'm not trying to drain your gas, bro. Hold on. Like, feel me? I'm not trying to go crazy for real. The gas, bro. We got like 5 minutes to get there though, man. Fuck it. Shit. That shit's like so damn sexy, bro. But y'all gotta hear the pop. I rolled down the window too late, man. Fuck. Chat. I know he enjoying that shit, though, chat. I'm gonna try this bitch on track. I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie, he probably like the only person out there drive my car, man, for like this long distance. I mean, it ain't really a long distance, like 40-minute drive for real, but man, I don't can't really trust too many people with your car, man. You already know how that goes. Get to hear my car from the outside, man. I'm always the one driving this shit, man. So I don't. That shit just make a grown nigga smile, man. For real. Make a grown man smile, bro. I'm telling you. I ain't gonna go crazy no more, man. Like, that shit right there, down there, yeah. My shit's still dirty. It's the wheels. He said, what? Was you even pressing the gas on? Yeah, bro. That shit went nowhere. Yeah, I'm crying.